Welcome. In this video, we'll talk about how to create a brand new opportunity in InfoReady, starting from the initial template selection screen. Let's begin. So when you're logged into your InfoReady site as an administrator, if you're ready to create a brand new opportunity, you're going to go to Create. And now, if you've never built anything in the system before, your best bet is just to keep the default selections here that say InfoReady templates and form designer. Those are kind of the standard settings that are the most flexible for anything that you want to build or try out in the platform. But you may want to explore other options. So depending on your license, you may have other base InfoReady templates in your site. So for example, if I select here, I also have the funding template, which is a little more hard-coded as far as specific funding elements. It's not quite as flexible as the form designer, but it is perfectly fine to use for things like limited submissions, internal funding. And then the bulletin board would be if you are just advertising something. So if you aren't managing the application or review workflow, that might be a good choice. Another thing I like to point out is that you can explore the templates by clicking the tooltip here. So if you wanted to learn more about the bulletin board template, for example, this takes you right to our full support portal article because it is important that you pick the right template up front. So if you're not sure, it's great to kind of check out those resources. Now, for some of you, you may have access to other templates. And so if you click your first drop down, you may see things like your own templates if you saved some in the past, if colleagues have shared templates with you, or depending on your administrative role, you may actually be able to access all site-wide templates. So this drop down will look a little different for everyone. But again, if you're not sure which one to start with, definitely recommend kind of the default selections here. If you plan on always using a certain template, so for example, if your colleague shared a template with you and you need to use it every time, you can switch this toggle over to green. That way, the next time you come back into InfoReady and go to this screen, those specific template type and the specific template will be saved and ready to go. So just a little time saver for you there. If you have any more questions about which template to select, feel free to explore more in that support portal that I showed. You can submit a ticket to our team or give us a call if you're really stuck. Thanks for watching.